Today, we are in Eindhoven. Join us as we stretch our legs for a silly walk, try some unique ice cream, enjoy 3D printed burgers inside a UFO,
This is a real UFO.
and live like Vikings, all in one day. Eindhoven has a retro-cool vibe to it, with mid-century buildings and repurposed factories. It's been an innovation town since the 19th century. It was also the home of Philips, whose legacy can still be seen and felt throughout the city. Here they created the first cassette tape, CD, and VCR. And perhaps that is why their train station looks a little bit like a transistor radio.
This is a real UFO.
It's a real UFO, huh? Oh, did I say that too loud? Are the men in black going to show up?
Not really. It's not. Don't listen to me.
Our first stop, a UFO, or Evoluon to be exact. That was created by Philips as an event space. Now it houses a science museum dedicated to how humans, nature, and technology can affect the future. I want this jacket. Interplanetary space life.
What's my favorite program in the world?
Battlestar Galactica.
No, you
I'm
Is
kidding.
that not a Star Trek logo kind of doctored up a little bit?
A little. I mean, yeah. If it
See?
went in a little more there. Yeah. Not everything is related to Star Trek.
Yes. We are at the restaurant inside the UFO here. Basically, everything on the menu is sustainable, next generation food.
We're excited, huh?
I am excited for this.
So this is the Meteor Munch. This is a seaweed burger made of seaweed. It's got cheddar, onion, pickled lettuce. It's got seaweed mayonnaise on it. Pickled onion, actually. And there's some more seaweed down there. The seaweed salad.
Curlicue fries too.
Curlicue fries with an algae mayonnaise. You can see little flecks of blue algae in there.
This is Nebula Steakhouse Burger. Okay, with a cultured in a laboratory, we have 3D plant-based beef with cheddar.
3D printed, yeah.
Yeah, 3D printed beef with burger sauce. We have red onions, tomatoes, pickles, and lettuce on a very natural-looking pink bun. The pink bun is really freaking me out, just putting that out there. But the burger looks good. It looks like beef, so let me let's give it a try here. Wow.
Does it taste like beef?
Oh yeah. Wow. You wouldn't know that it's completely plant-based. It's really good. It is really delicious.
You got some on your nose.
Do I? Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's a messy but pretty tasty experience here. Everything on it is really good. Your turn.
I cheated and had a little bit of the seaweed mayonnaise. That's really good. Yeah, so that's the burger. Let's try this baby. I love the color of the bun. I made a mess of it.
Yep. It's a messy experience. How is it?
Honestly, I could eat that every day.
Really?
That is so tasty. There's nothing fishy about it. I really did make a mess of it. It's a really good burger. It's very flavorful, just the burger on its own. And it's, again, that umami flavor. I can't describe it.
How's the bun? Does it taste blue?
No, it's no, it's just tastes like a bun. I think the blue's for fun.
Ladies and gentlemen, no survivors. Thank you.
Eindhoven isn't just dedicated to future tech, but also ancient tech. We headed to the PreHistorisch Dorp, which is a living history museum with recreated buildings from the Bronze Age to the late medieval era. And all the buildings are based on archaeological finds in the area.
Oh, this is very old.
Making friends? Meet. What's your proclamation?
More wine. Bring me wine.
We are in the Strijp S, which was the old Philips factory in Philips Village where the employees lived and worked. What is this? Oh, palliative care for a dystopian world, wound tombs. This is Strijp S. This is what the Philips factory used to be. They also did a lot of top secret work here, so many employees had apartments on site. They've turned it into an industrial park with all kinds of eateries, skateboarding. Here we are, Intelligentia ICE.
Yeah. It's very pink.
No. You sure about that?
Bacon. Speckhook?
No, spice
not
cookie. Oh, nice. Look what your cup says. Stay curious.
It's an omen.
That's right. That
We're
means
meant
we're
to
going to
be
enjoy
here.
the ice cream. All right. I wasn't as adventurous as I normally am. I don't know why, but I love coconut and I love pineapple. So I got coconut with barbecued pineapple, and then I got pineapple, rose, red pepper.
They were sort of missing a lot of the exotic flavors we read about.
Yeah, like they used to have a Cuban cigar sorbet. I would have loved to try that. And they usually have like an olive oil, which is my favorite gelato flavor, but they didn't have that today. So.
And I got the Tony's Chocolonely chocolate and pistachio mixture. Again, not very exotic, but I'm gonna snarf it.
I like
It does look good.
I like the charcoal ice cream.
This is like so creamy. It's not like normal ice cream. It's almost gelato-y. It almost tastes like gelato. It's so well made. It's not too sweet like a lot of ice creams. It does taste homemade. What do you think?
I'm loving it. This is actually a sorbet, and then this one is, the top one is ice cream, the bottom one's sorbet. The top one is more coconut, the bottom one is more pineapple, so it's like a pina colada that I accidentally, inadvertently put together on a cone. So it has really, very exotic. It's almost like a pina colada meets a Turkish delight. Martha Graham, Martha Graham. We're walking to the Silly Walk tunnel, and Mark just tripped and twisted his ankle.
Twisted my freaking ankle.
So now he's doing his own Silly Walk.
That was the setup. So you're gonna walk silly no matter what.
Yeah, this was actually inaugurated by John Cleese.